Well, hello boys and girls, welcome to the Rusty Scale Show. I've been waiting for this moment for 5 years. You hear me, YouTube? Can you hear me? For 5 years, YouTube, I've been waiting for this moment. Now if you think, Chris, what the hell are you talking about? And why are you behind this pile? I'm about to let you know in a second, because we run this video right now. Now I have been building vintage kits, cheap kits, low quality kits for the last 5 years. Not entirely, but almost. I mean, I had some good quality kits, but most of the kits that I built, they were like vintage or I don't know. And now after 5 years of training, of being on the training ground and, you know, stay in the dojo, 5 years of boot camp are now over. Now it's finally time to get locked in. So I'm gonna be locked in for 2023 with this high quality kits. All of those kits are from the 21st century. So I have no 19 something kits, nothing like that. No vintage stuff, not this time, man. Because this time I paid my dues, okay? I paid my taxes. Now it's time to, you know, really use the skills that I could develop over the past 5 years. And I will do this by building high quality kits, okay? Because it's about time. And I will show you here what I have right now. These are not just some ideas, these are really the kits that I want to build. Most probably I will switch something because there will be a group build coming up or something which I can't see at the moment right now. But let's start and we will go through the kits in no particular order, okay? This is just to present them because it's time to shine. Okay, kit number 1. I'm already working on this kit, so I already have started this one. It's the GasPatch Henschel HS123 in 1/48 scale. I'm already in love with this kit. I'm maybe halfway through the build, but this kit already has the potential to become Rusty Scale proof. We had that only once in the last 5 years, and that was an Eduard BF110 kit in 1/72 scale, the Adlertag limited edition. And this one will get nominated for another Rusty Scale improvement. Now this kit came out in 2017, but this is not the original one because this is already upgraded with some new parts. It contains a lot of extra stuff. It's very beautiful. If you want to find out more about it, if you want to know more about it, what is inside the box and how is the kit like, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell because my future videos will be about this kit because I'm building it right now. Alright? That's the first one. Okay, next off is the Arma Hobby Nakashima KI-84 Hayate. This is an expert set. It's in 1/72 scale and it contains the plastic kit, the decals, masks and photo etch parts. Arma Hobby, I haven't built any of their kits, but I only heard very good things about it, so I'm very much looking forward to build this one. Now let me check on my list. I have a list right here where I noted all the dates and the years, and the list says 2022, new release, a brand new tooling. Looking very much forward to build this. The next kit is not really a very new kit and it's not really a high quality kit, I assume. This is not a vintage kit, but it is a Moran Saulnier MS406 in a Swiss version. I saw this aircraft in a museum. I really like it, of course, especially because it comes with Swiss markings. Now let me check quickly. This one is also 21st century. It is from the original release, dates back to 2012. This was also released in 2012 but with new decals, okay? With the Swiss decals, I guess. Okay, next is the Clear Prop KI-51 Sonia in 1/72 scale. This one was released in 2019. Now I'm very much looking forward to build this kit because I already did the unbox video of this. This got a Model of the Year in 2021, I think, according to Model Fan, I guess. I think that was the magazine. Yeah, it's written here. 2021 Model of the Year model fan. Okay, so I did an unbox video of this kit. It looks very, very good. I never done a clear prop kit. That was something that I wanted to do in the last years, but I said no, you wait until the time is right. And the time is right now. So actually, after I finish the Henschel, the GasPatch Henschel HS123, I will build this. That's the plan. Okay, next. Ooh, this one is my secret. One of my secret kits, okay? This is one of my secret kits. Actually, I don't wanna present this right now. We will do this later. We will do this later, okay? So we're gonna do, I'm doing a little switch off here. So okay, next one is this. The ICM FW190A8, right? No, the ICM FW189A1 in 172 scale. It's a night fighter kit. This was originally released in 2016, but this version I have here is from 2017 and some new parts were added. And it maybe contains nothing special. Okay, now this pile is getting smaller, but here it's building up. Next is this mean bird right here. Special hobby, I haven't built any of their kits neither. So this is the P40K1 Warhawk short fuselage version in 172 scale. The original kit came out in 2017, but this version with new parts added in 2018. Now this version here does not contain any photo etched parts or masked or something, but as far as I know or seen, you can buy some aftermarket stuff for that. So I think I'll go and check the aftermarket before I start this build. Okay, next up is a Swiss aircraft again. It's the BPK Canadian Challenger CL406. I'm going to do the CL406 version because I saw a documentation the other day about the Rega, you know, the Swiss Air Assistance, the official Swiss Air Assistance, the Rega. And I found out that they also have aircrafts. And I was checking, I thought like, wouldn't it be cool? There must be existing a version, some plastic model with the Swiss Rega and it, yeah. And there is, I found this kit, check this out. That's the Swiss version of the Rega. And yeah, I had to buy this off eBay, I think. It's not available in the stores anymore. It came like this, I don't know, you check. Now this one contains some photo etch parts and also some resin parts. If I remember correctly, it includes some resin parts. I don't know if masks are included, I'll check it out. Because this is not available anymore in the stores, I thought like, yeah, that must be another vintage kit, so here we go again. But surprisingly, this is from 2016, so it's not that old actually. Next up, we got another Focke-Wulf. This is the FW190A8 Eduard Profi Pack in 172 scale. It contains photo etch parts and the Eduard masks, luckily. And this one came out in, let me check, 2015. So it's even 1 year older than the BPK kit. But I'm looking very much forward to build my first FW190. I haven't built an FW190 yet. So this will be my first one, looking very much forward to it. Okay, now we get to that special kit. Actually, no, not yet. We only have 2 left, but I will give this another break. I'll take this one out because maybe you have seen this before. This is the Revell Model T 1917 ambulance. It's in 135 scale. I'm so much looking forward to build this one. I will surely build it this year because I won this kit as an award, as a prize, you know. I didn't even have to buy it, and it's so lovely because in my choice, you see aircraft, 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 I wouldn't have bought this, most probably. So I'm very happy I won this one and not some kind of aircraft, and I will build this, looking very much forward. And by the way, this is a 2000, it's quite interesting. This is a 2016 ICM kit, okay? ICM. And Revell reboxed it and put it out in 2019 with new decals. So this box is from 2019. Okay, now it's time for the last one. Are you ready? Okay. Okay, the last one. The one I've been putting aside all the time. Okay, and this one will kind of break the rule. It will kind of break the rule that I said I only have kits from the 21st century. But on the other hand, it's not really breaking the rule. Let me tell you. It's the Heller Super Puma. It's the Heller kit from the Super Puma. And yeah, it will be my first helicopter. I haven't built any helicopter. But I saw the Super Puma last summer a few times in our mountain lodge. They were all the time flying over our lodge. And I mean, boy, that helicopter is so impressive. When you see this, it's crazy how fast it can fly and how big it is. It's a monster, okay? So I had to get a kit of the Super Puma. Now, let me tell you about this kit. LTST 5. Oh, first of all, here's the version. Yeah? Fliegerstaffel. Of course, I'm gonna build the one with the Swiss markings, because Swiss Army has the Super Puma. Now this kit, originally, 1986. Heller Humbrol tooling, okay? Actually, it's not called Heller, but Heller, right? If I got this right, because it's French, right? French producer. And in French, you'll pronounce this as Heller and not Heller. But yeah, so you can follow what I'm saying. I'll pronounce it as Heller, okay? I hope it's not gonna be hell though. So this kit here, originally from 1986. Yeah, I know. Hold on. 1986 Heller Humbrol tooling, all right? Then I think it was kind of reboxed in 1981. But in case you didn't notice, this box is completely yellow because Heller has kind of a relaunch, you know? They were going down. I think they were closed, right? I don't know. Were they still producing? Some German people invested in the company, which I think is wonderful thing, because I love those kits, man. I love Heller kits. I don't know why. I haven't built any of them. Can you imagine? I love them, but I haven't built any of them, and they are old, but still, I don't know. If I look at this box, this yellow box, it's so beautiful. Okay. Now what those people did with the old Heller moldings is that they completely restored it. They cleaned it, and they did a complete work over, because they said that now what they want to have, the quality standard, at least as good as when the kit first came out. The box is new. That's a newly done box. And also all the decals are new. They are complete. They have a complete new decal sheet. It's not the old one. I'll test it and we will find out if the workover of the old moldings really did some good. Okay, that was it. I got two more. I got two more, okay? But they're kind of sensitive, at least in my opinion. And they will be part of another video that I will do, another sensitive video. Not about the swastika, but another sensitive topic. I'll show you the two kits. I will not say anything, because I will save that for my other video. But I'll show it to you, and I think you can guess. Hold on. Go here, grab this, boom. Got a big one and a small one. Okay, let me check quickly my list. The small one is from 2020 and the big one is from 2020 as well, so it doesn't matter, all right? So I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna comment that. The video will be over after that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the content. And you know what's coming now. If you did like the video and it was entertaining for you, please consider subscribing to my channel, like the video, press the bell. You'll get a notification when I upload new videos, when I upload new videos about the builds of all these beautiful kits, or the video about the following two kits, or the whole topic, which is, you know, around like surrounding like a ghost. Let's go. This one is less radical, but the second one a bit more.